We're going to discuss how to create xbar R chart in Excel along with Bellcurve. This is video number 56 in Excel, and we're going to do it two example number 1 and example number 2. And the final result I will compare in Minitab also as well, right? So this is the data set I have. So observation 1 all the way to 5. When you have more subgroup greater than 1, of course you can take xbar R chart, right? All you have to do is you have to keep the values here. For example, up to 50 values you can keep. And if you want more, you have to drag and drop the formula also as well. Once it is done, automatically you can find, for example, let's say I'm just keeping this value. So automatically you'll find that xbar R chart will get calculated. And then this is the mean, right? So R chart also will get calculated. And then you also have a subgroups also. Interestingly, subgroups, how the values are being scattered, you will find it. And more importantly, you'll also will find that scatter will not be very helpful in this very case, but you'll also will find the histogram also as well. Very bell curve, perfect bell curve, you will find it in Excel. And as you know that in Excel, it is very difficult to do it, but it can be done very easily in this one, right? What I'm doing it for few, just to demonstrate few values, I'm changing the values. For example, let's say I'm just keeping like 74 as in value. For all some values I'm changing it diagonally just to remember that value. Okay, so this is now it has all been updated because all been driven with the formula. Even if you take that the final one, so right, LCL, and we know that the LCL is nothing but the x bar, that is the mean value minus 3 into standard deviation, right? Standard deviation gets calculated. And now let's see whether we are getting the same result or not. So what I'm doing it, I'm just copying this data and 25 data set I have. I will open in Minitab. In the Minitab, just to compare the result, I will paste it here, and all this 25 values been there. And then I'm just going to control chart, subgroups, and xbar R chart, a quick check, right? So I will give F3 and I will invoke all the 5 columns, right? And you can see here the limit is being there, 73.98, 74, 74.01. Let's see what is our Excel, uh, gives the value. You can see here. So let's see the first value. You can see here 73.98, exactly the same value we got it here. And the other digits are matching. 74 exactly the same, 74.01, this is exactly the same. And the R bar says 0 and 0.04, right? And let's see that the other R chart, 0 and 0.02 and 0.04, exactly it is matching. And then you will also find that histogram perfectly is there. It is showing this is an outlier, right? So perfect histogram you have got it. Even if you do it in the Minitab, you will not be able to find out what's an outlier, but so you can easily get it. So in this case, I'm just selecting all, I'm just giving in one overlaid graph. Okay, give okay. So the same thing, how it is there in outlier, exactly the same value you have got here, right? Perfect histogram. Similarly, I'm just going for example number 2. Example number 2, I will once again I will do it. This time, n value I have as a 50 value. So this is the three supplier data. This is the length data is there, and the value is there up to 50 data sets, n equal to 50, right? And once again, I will just keep it like, just to demonstrate, I'll keep it like 600, this also 600, and this also 600, right? And let's see if I have that other data like supplier 4 and 5 and all that, I can still do it. So now let's see, I'm just copying this data and go to Minitab and go to file, open new worksheet. And let's see stat, and then you have control chart and subgroups, xbar R chart. And now F3 I will give to clear out the window. Are in one column, no, are in subgroups we have. There are 3 subgroups we have, and let's see what's the one. 597.44, 599, 601. Let's see what we have got the values in the Excel. 597, 599, 601. And then let's talk about the range. Range 0, 2.2, and of course 5.7. 0, 2.2, 5.7. Exactly the same thing. And you also have got the histogram, perfect histogram. The outlier is there on the right side. It is also pointing out where the outlier is there. So you can see here, it is very beautiful, right? So if you need this Excel, please comment it. I will be more than happy to share this Excel also as well. And it is there. And I will be more than happy to share this Excel also as well. And thank you so much. I hope you find it very, very useful. Let's learn, and happy learning with all of you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.